Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing damage and preparing the speaker. This matters because the repair approach depends on tier size and adhesive condition. Once you remove the grill, note foam thickness and how the dust cap attaches, and make sure to photograph the original alignment. Clean edges with a gentle solvent, then remove old adhesive carefully. Do this slowly. Lay parts on a towel, organize your new foam and glue nearby, and keep fingers clean. This prevents contaminating bonding surfaces. Now you remove the old surround and fit the replacement ring. First, cut adhesive only. Do not touch the cone. This protects the voice coil. Next, dry fit the new foam to confirm correct size and orientation. You want even overlap without stretching. Once satisfied, apply a thin, even bead of PVA or speaker-grade adhesive to both mating surfaces. Press from center outward. This avoids trapped air. Take your time. Alignment here controls cone travel and prevents rubbing later. Finish by bonding and curing the joint. This step sets the repair. Apply final glue to the outer and inner seams, press gently, and secure with light clamps or small weights. Do not deform the cone. Allow the adhesive to cure fully, typically 12 to 24 hours, then reassemble. Once done, test at low volume and run a slow frequency sweep. Listen for rubbing or distortion. If you hear issues, make sure the foam isn't misaligned or impinging on the surround. Reseat or trim as needed. One troubleshooting fix that usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.